Oh, almost got thrown off. Oh, Justin made a detour. Let's go, Justin. Woo! Oh boy, where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? Bro, come on, Danny. Come on, Danny. The observation tower, aka this is the racetrack. That's a bad mamma jamma right there. Are you ready to ride?
Let's go, baby. Randy.
All right.
Seriously, I want you to follow me today.
No, I'm not following you.
Just let everybody go. Follow me.
No, I already know.
Just stay behind me.
Nope. I'm following Justin. Oh boy, here we go. And as always, you guys are coming with us through this lens right here. Let's go. Woo! Let's get it, baby. Such a beautiful day. Let's go, let's go. Hey, let's go, let's go. Justin made a detour. Let's go, Justin. Woo! Oh boy, where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? Woo! Yeah, yeah. Let's go, baby. And there's the observation tower, aka this is the racetrack. Tom, you might want to move, buddy.
Hey, you better not. Don't do it, crazy. Okay.
Scared. I knew you weren't going to do it.
I would do it, dog. Just in the way.
We're in the way. We got Iron Man, Triple Black, and this is just custom. The custom Monkey Boy edition. Woo! Let's go! Let's go. Woo! Come on, guys. every day, whoa, is a good day to have a great day. Turn. Whoa, hold on, baby, hold on. Woo! We are in the country. Deep backwater riding, baby. Let's go. Andy Hodgen, Justin Leo, Danny Duncan, and behind me we got Tommy Vo. Oh, here we go. Tight channel, tight channel. Let's go. Hey, 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 let's go. Jump.